Good morning and welcome to video lecture on chemical kinetics part 1. Chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction, factors which affect rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction. First, rate of reaction, ROR. The rate of reaction describes how rapidly the reactants are consumed or products are formed. Then factors which affect rate of reaction: temperature, pressure, concentration. Temperature, Arrhenius equation; concentration, rate law; and order of reaction. In order of reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, third order reaction and pseudo order reaction. Rate of reaction. In this chapter, we consider only moderate reaction, also known as molecular reaction. जो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन है वो वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शन है, उसको बोलेंगे अपन आयोनिक रिएक्शंस विच ऑकर्स इन माइक्रोसेकंड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, NaCl react with AgNO3 gives precipitation of AgCl plus NaNO3. Here ROR cannot be determined because जो रिएक्शन है ये वेरी फास्ट है, आयंस रेडी है, सिर्फ उसको कंबाइन होना है. सो इट्स वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शन और ये जो रिएक्शन है उसके अपन रेट डिटरमाइन नहीं कर सकते. सेकंड जो रिएक्शन है वो है स्लो रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. आयरन को रस्ट होने के लिए 1 साल भी लग सकता है, 6 मंथ भी लग सकते हैं, 2 years भी लग सकते हैं. सो ROI इज प्रैक्टिकली नॉट डिटरमाइंड. सो ये जो मॉडरेट रिएक्शन है उसको बोलेंगे अपन मॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शन. उसका रेट जो है वो अपन निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि एग्जाम्पल देखो, N2 plus thrice H2 gives twice NH3. Bond breaking and bond formation require time, so we can determine ROR of these reactions. Then average rate of chemical reaction. The average rate of chemical reaction is the change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time interval over which the change occur. So average rate is equal to change in concentration of a species upon change in time. For example, reaction A is converted to B. So average rate of consumption of A is equal to minus concentration of A upon time T, and average rate of formation of B is equal to plus concentration of B upon time. So average rate of reaction is equal to minus delta concentration of A upon delta T and plus change in concentration of B upon delta T. Unit moles per liter per second. Then instantaneous rate. The progress of reaction is followed by measuring the concentration of reactant or product for a different time interval is known as instantaneous rate. The instantaneous rate dC by dt is represented by replacing delta by dC upon dt in the expression of average rate. So rate of reaction at time t is equal to dA by dt or dB by dt. बाद में रेट लॉ. फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. डिपेंडेंस ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑन concentration of reactant. Such rate concentration is a rate law. ROR is equal to K into concentration of A power X, concentration of B power Y. K is proportionality constant. X and Y simple whole number ratio with 0 or fraction. If X is equal to Y is equal to 1, ROR depends linearly on concentration of A or B, and if X is equal to 0, ROR is independent of concentration of A. If X is less than 0, ROR is decreases as concentration of A increases. So order of reaction ROR is equal to K into concentration of X power X into concentration of B power Y. The sum of X plus Y gives the overall order of reaction. So order of reaction is the sum of power of concentration of reactant. Those appear in the rate equation. It is experimentally determined, can be integer or fraction, and only few reactions of third order are known. उसके बाद है elementary reaction. These reactions occur in a single step and cannot be broken down further into simpler reaction called elementary reaction. Then molecularity of reaction. It is the number of reactant molecule taking part in an elementary reaction. For example, C2H5I gives C2H4 plus HI. Rate is equal to C2H5I. It is unimolecular and first order reaction. The difference between order and molecularity. Order experimentally determined, molecularity theoretical entity. It is sum of power of concentration of reactant, those appear in the rate equation, and it is the number of reactant molecules taking part in elementary reaction. It may be integer, fraction or zero. It is an integer. First order kinetic. A gives product ROR K into concentration of A power 1. So K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A0 upon AT. Half life period T half is equal to 0.693 upon K into half. Zero order reaction, K gives product. K is equal to A0 minus AT upon T. So T half is equal to A0 upon 2K. So आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में अपन ने देखा है रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, ऑर्डर, मॉलिक्यूलरिटी, रेट लॉ, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक, जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक.